Hello everybody, this is Orgo Sinha. Today we'll be seeing how to configure application-based policy routing using performance matrix. We'll go right ahead to our browser. As you can see here, I'm on the Delhi Tenet, which has two WAN interfaces which are connected through SIM cards. And as you can see, I have just connected the antenna, so the signal is getting better now. These are two 4G SIMs, 4G SIM cards. So we'll go ahead and go to Net Balancer, and under Net Balancer, just beside branches, we'll have balancing rules. We'll go ahead and go to balancing rules. And in here, we'll press in new. And we'll be configuring auto flow control today. So we'll press in auto flow control. And here we'll be putting in performance, and we'll be basing it on performance matrix. And here we have signal quality as RSSI. So we'll click it on and we'll put in as -75. And the weight should be high. We'll go ahead and choose YouTube. Go ahead to deep packet inspection and choose YouTube. And then switch it over to this list to have it selected. And once done, we'll hit create. As you see now, we have a balancing rules which basically takes any data which is marked as YouTube and load balances it. So we'll go ahead and start a video here. And now we'll start seeing how the data is proceeding. I've already selected YouTube, Google, and Google services. So right now the page you're seeing is basically under dashboard. It is under dashboard, and once you go to dashboard, you'll be in overview first. You'll have to click to top N. And under apps, you'll see all the application data that is coming in or out. Now I have in applications, I've put in these three filters that I was talking about before. The QUIC protocol is a protocol which is done by Google for low latency connection. So it's a UDP protocol which sends data for services, Google services. So we'll go ahead and check this. Here I have connected both the antennas now, so it should come up. There you go. It has came up now. It's in -59 and -55, which are both good signal quality. So we'll go ahead and plug off antenna 2 from WAN 2 for the WAN 2 interface. And now I have plugged off the antenna. Now what will happen is this signal will increase, and if it was using this interface, we'll go ahead and select interface 2 as we have plugged off from interface 2. So all the YouTube data which was flowing through interface 2 will go ahead and start flowing through our WAN interface 1. We'll just go ahead and check the video. We'll have it buffered a little so that it consumes more data. So as you can see, traffic is building up now as the video is proceeding. So all the data is now leaving through WAN 1 because of the rule that we have placed. So if the SIM is using SIM 1 and it receives a RSI which is lower, as you can see, the RSSI has gone -92, and we have set it here that if it goes If it touches anywhere below minus 75, it'll fail over to this interface. So thanks for joining, guys. This is how you configure auto flow control. So all you have to do, I'll just show it to you once again before I leave. This is net balancer we go to, and then under net balancer, just beside branches, we have our balancing rule, and under balancing rule, we can go ahead and make a new rule, and in here we can choose auto flow from internet breakout and perform and choose according to performance and click here. To select a packet, we can either go to these packet matching or protocol matching, or we can straight go to DPI and use signatures that has been already put here and just select it and then hit this arrow key to put it on the left side, which means it has gotten selected, and hit create. We'll also have to put the weight as high, which I keep forgetting. So, and we'll give it a minus 70 weightage and then hit create. And there you go. We have another policy. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.